Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kailina if you guys are new here. Today we are going to be doing this mini Ulta haul and my favorite list right now. If you guys have not noticed, I changed my background. I have been wanting to try out like a new background so bad. So this is what I came up with. I put like a little LED flamingo and then my little plant that I got from Target, which is actually growing. I got it like maybe like a year ago. Oh, also this is like my vanity in the background. I don't know, I think I like this setup, but we're gonna keep trying to see what else is out there. And yeah, here is my bag of Ulta stuff that we will go through. I personally feel like it's not a lot of stuff. I mean, I did have like a $100 gift card that I got for my birthday. With that being said, let's go through some of the stuff here. Some of the things that I did get, I got just not because. I actually got it because I needed it for my makeup kit. We'll just start off with like some of the smaller stuff and then go into the bigger ones. Is this, I can't even tell if this is like focused on me or not. Are we good? Is it good? Okay. I'm like freaking out over here. I'm so blind. I can't even see my camera because it's all the way back here. So the first thing that I got was obviously the Real Techniques sponges. I already have so many of them, but you know what? It's good to have a stock of sponges just in case. The next one that I got is the Black Lash Duo. Next thing we got, this Morphe brush. This is my favorite brush from Morphe, but it's the M167 brush. Basically, it's a flat brush and I love using this one. I have like maybe 3 of them already. It really helps if you're doing a cut crease. I mean, I actually did kind of like a cut crease today. For the next product, I'm trying to hold these off because I don't want it to like, I feel like this video is gonna be hecka short. I don't know, who cares, whatever. The next product I got by Soap & Glory. I used it this morning when I took a shower. It is the Flake Away Body Scrub. It's Soap & Glory's signature fragrance. I don't know what it is, but it smells super nostalgic. And honestly, it does smell really, really, really good. It smells super good, but it's not the best scrub because it doesn't really exfoliate. Stay tuned for later in the video because I'll be talking about my favorite products that I'm using. There's a specific scrub that I really like compared to this one. Even though this one's really good, I like it. So obviously I can't get the scrub without the body butter. I'm telling you guys have to try it. If you have not tried it, Soap & Glory before, try the original fragrance products because they smell so good. So this is the, I'm like smelling it, like here you guys can smell it. This is the original body butter. They have, I think it was the body lotion. So the lotion that I have is downstairs, but it smells exactly the same. The only difference between the body butter and the lotion is that this one is probably more long lasting and it's super hydrating. So moving on to the next product. I actually got this one for free because it was my birthday. And if you are a Ultimate Rewards, is it? I think it is. If you're an Ultimate Rewards member, or is that with the credit card? I don't know. Anyways, I had Ulta points and they gave this to me for free. It's the Badescu skincare spray, facial spray. So this is just like the hydrating mist. I used to use the one that was the rose water a long time ago when it first came out and it was super popular, but I'm pretty sure this one's just as good. The key ingredients are niacinamide, coconut water, sodium hyaluronate, aloe vera. I feel like I need some now. I feel like my face is like drying. Oh, it's not. Okay, the spray's not working. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it is really hydrating. Oh, hold on. Oh my God, wait. My freaking eye is burning. I might be blind for a second, but I'm okay. I think it's the glitter in my eyes. So when I sprayed it, it got in my freaking eyeball. Okay, the next product that I got, it is the Violet Crush John Frieda Purple Shampoo. I've heard so many good things about this. I've read reviews on YouTube, on Ulta's website, and I've been looking for a purple a really good purple shampoo for so long now. This is hands down the best purple shampoo that I've ever used. I used it today. You guys can already see that it looks more silvery. If you guys watch my previous video of me getting ready for work, you can see that it's super yellow and super blonde and not ashy at all. Okay, so for our last product, I saved the best one for last just because I have so much to say about this brand. It is the Truly Beauty Skincare, Truly Skincare. This one is the Acai Your Boobies Serum, and it is to firm and tighten. Obviously, acai, dragon fruit, retinol, apricot, and antioxidant boost. You're supposed to apply 3 to 5 drops to your chest area. I think Truly is actually known to have their like whipped body butter, which I will show you guys the ones that I'm talking about. I actually wanted to try those ones first. I don't know, it just looks so yummy. It looks good. Like even this looks good. Like it looks like a smoothie. However, I will say this, I still want to try them, but when I went into Ulta to see the ones on the shelf, I opened one and it was completely hard. You know how icing hardens after it's been left out? But I did not pick it up. The other one that I really wanted to try was the Unicorn Body Butter because it smells like freaking Fruity Pebbles. I didn't put it in my cart because I was already getting the Soap and Glory Body Butter. That was that for my little mini Ulta haul. Now we're gonna move on to my current favorites. That freaking, oh my god, that hella scared me. I forgot that this is my mirror behind me, and so I put my hand out and I was like, whose hand is that? I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of scary. Okay, as for my current favorites right now, I'm gonna try to go through every category. 4 primers, One Size Beauty by Patrick Starr, Secure the Blur, second primer because I couldn't have this one as just the first one. The new MAC Natural Radiance primer. It is so freaking smooth and silky. It's really illuminating. I only use it on my cheek area, as you guys can already see. The next thing is the Nars Natural Radiance Foundation, and then also the Nars Natural Radiance Concealers, Praline, Tiramisu. I wanted something lighter. Oh my god, I'm starting to sound nasally. I think my allergies are coming out. As for bronzers and contouring, I still have not found my favorite. The only thing that I can stick with is, this isn't even a contour palette, first of all, the MAC Pro Foundation Palette, Full Coverage Foundation Palette. I use this for clients and I use it for myself. I actually use the NW45. Moving on, I wrote down like a little list of things I was going to talk about before my camera dies. I don't have a favorite highlight right now, but I do want to try the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, I think. How Many Carats? I will show you guys the pictures right now because my friends, they were wearing them at a birthday party that we had the other day and I was like, what is that? Okay, so moving on to the eyeshadow palettes before my camera dies. My current favorite eyeshadow palette is 420 by Melt Cosmetics. I think I got this for Christmas last year or a couple years ago. These are the colors in them and they have like the best neutral earthy tone colors. The next palette that I have is Nikki Tutorials collab with Beauty Bay Calm. I mostly just use this color and then some of the shimmery ones. The last but not least palette that I probably use almost every single day. Oh my god, I just dropped. Okay, it's kind of all messed up, but it's the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette collab with Beauty Bay Calm again. I think you guys have seen me use this palette before in my other videos. Still my favorite one. I think I'll do one more favorite because I don't know how long this video is gonna be. My all-time favorite mascara also just came out and you guys have probably seen on TikTok and all over social media, the MAC Stack Mascara. This is the one in Mega. You can put on layers, it will not clump, you will not look like spiders on your eyes. I think I missed one thing. I forgot to talk about my scrub. Okay, so the body scrub that I was gonna talk about, First Aid Beauty KP Body Bump Scrub. And if you have any bumps on your skin at all, I highly recommend getting it. Okay, so I think that was it for my haul and my favorites. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And also, if you guys have any other skincare or makeup products that are your favorite, I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Do good things, be kind to other people. I will see you guys on Monday for the next video, and I will see you guys later.